In the KDP content page for creating or editing a book, KDP Wizard can make your cover and interior files available in-page where you need them. When your books are pushed from the bookshelf, cover and interior records are created and linked together automatically to your books. If you wish to add your files to these records, there are a number of options available. You can upload the file so it's stored within your base. Just click to add a suitable file in the appropriate field. Click the plus in the field and choose where to upload the file from. There are lots of options, but for now we'll add a file from the computer. Drag and drop the file into the field and wait for it to upload. Larger cover files might take several minutes to complete, so don't close the base until you can see the preview image. Let's add a few more. If you don't want to store the files in your base, you can add a link to your file from any supported cloud storage platform. In this version of KDP Wizard, there are Dropbox, Google Drive, OneDrive and iCloud. We have a knowledge base article detailing the process for each platform and we'll add more as they become available. Visit our website to check out the article. After you've added some files, they will now appear in the smart drop-downs. Just open a new content page or refresh if you have one open already. Select the item you require and download from within KDP. PC users can hit the copy URL button and click the KDP upload button. Then paste this into the file name text box and hit OK. Mac users should navigate to their Chrome download folder and add to KDP from there.